Okay, this morning we're doing a short hop from Sarandë to Corfu by ferry. But first of all, it's walking from the apartment down to the ferry terminal. Not very far, about 400 or 500 metres. So we've been through customs and now there's a complete unorganised mess trying to get onto the boat. Not sure how it's meant to work. Customs was pretty organised. Oh, maybe they're going to make us line up now and check tickets. Well, we made it into Corfu on the first bus, and then we went to the supermarket, and now we're waiting for another bus, or maybe a sub. We'll see. Okay, so we got off the second bus. Now we're walking up a steep ass hill. It's very steep and very hot. Lots of lovely olive trees, eh? Big old ones. A little bit of shade here and there. I'll let you be the judge whether the walk up the hill was worth it for the view. I think it is. It's pretty nice. And the reason we booked this place is that this is the lovely pool, and the place next door also shares this pool. So two lots of apartments. Our apartments are up here. We're up the top there. That one, the middle of the screen now. Dozens of swallows dive bombing the pool. I'm just walking down to catch the bus into Benitses, and just thought you might want to see these olive trees. Hold on. Massive olive trees. Beautiful. Here comes the bus. It's the number 6 bus. Just a very short ride into Benitses. We bought an all-day ticket this morning for €5 to go into the supermarket in the middle of Corfu, and thought, well, we might as well use it again this afternoon and come to the little town nearest to our apartment and go to the beach, have a swim. Right, and then we're at the start of the beach. So you can just put your towel there and go for a swim. We might walk along a bit further and have a look. I'd say this would be a pretty good place to stay if you didn't want to stay right in Corfu. It's about 30 minutes or a bit longer maybe on the bus to get out here. 35 to our place, which is a bit further down that way. Tucked in underneath that big mountain there. We lose the sun quite early, but it's a beautiful spot. It's got a pool and everything. It's the older part of Benitses, some of the older buildings. Back behind us there's a whole lot of restaurants and bars. We'll just walk back behind the Benitses Beach area to the old village. There's also supposed to be some Roman baths that we're going to go find. If in doubt, follow the signs, because the last way wasn't the right way. Wow, we went to the other place to see the old village, but thought we could loop back round. Oh, this looks interesting. Found a spot just across the road from the beach to grab a nice beer. Well, we hope it's a nice beer. It's a Greek beer that we haven't tried before. Mythos. Sounds like something that should be minty, but it's not. That one's a Radler that Sarah's got, and I've got the standard one. Beach is just there. It's where we were swimming. We're swimming just along that way, but... Alright, walking back up from the bus. We had our swim and we had a nice beer. We met some people from Ireland. It was really good to chat to. They're here just for a couple of weeks with their teenage children. They're very jealous of the fact that we were away for 6 months. Right, back up for dinner time, I think. Time to cook dinner, maybe have a swim. That'll be us for the day.